everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and this is the Simple Stamping for Beginners series. And today we are staying with the little piggy theme. If you saw my video on Tuesday, I did a more advanced card using this little piggy stamp set, which is this one. And I thought I'd bring it back out because we are in between catalogs. The regular annual catalog is still out, but we are coming out with a new one on June 4th. So I thought I would pull this back out. This is carrying over into the new catalog, and he's so cute. I wanted to bring him back out. So I did an more advanced card, and then on Tuesday and today I am sharing a beginner's card. Super quick and easy, just using a stamp set in your blends. So I'm using a different piggy. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up in this video so you can check it out if you want to just step it up a little bit. But he's so cute, and it says, "You make me happy." And the designer series paper that I'm using for this is Happiness Blooms, and this is in the retiring list. So if you want to get this paper, it's got some really, really cute, bright, cheerful patterns on it. I've shown it before, but it's got some really pretty patterns. And so we're using this little daisy because he's holding a daisy, and I went ahead and colored the daisy the same color as the paper. So let's get started with this. So you're going to need your basic card, which I talked about over and over. This is a basic card for you that are beginners. It's 5.5 by 4 1/4. You're going to need a piece to mat it, and this is 3 3/4 by 5. And again, it's the Happiness Blooms designer series paper. And then you're going to need a piece to stamp on. It's 2 3/4 by 3. And this is for our little piggy. Alright, so here is our little piggy. We're going to go ahead and stamp him up with some Memento black ink, because we're using our blends, and whenever you use your blends, you want to use the Tuxedo Black. And let's make sure that's the 3-inch side because he's taller. So we are going to stamp him right in the middle. And lift him up. Isn't he adorable? I love these piggies, and I just really wanted to bring them out again. Alright, so let's go ahead and color. It's simple coloring with your blends. I am using light and dark pink Pirouette. We have other pinks that you can also use. And we are just going to basically color him all, and then I'm going to just shade a little bit. Give him a little bit of shading. We're not going to do his nose, is going to be the dark. And we're going to leave his hooves white, just to make it simple. And then I'm just going to grab the dark. We're going to color his ears in. This is the exact way I colored the other one. The other one were the 2 other pigs that are on here. And I'm just highlighting some areas. And I'm going to blend them in. You can just outline it, and it'll be really cute. And then do it the lighter on the inside. I'm just going to use the blends here to color him and blend in the darker one. Okay, we're going to leave him like that. And then I'm also using the dark and light shaded spruce. We're just going to color the grass. It's very, very simple. His leaf. I'm going to color the center of the flower. And then I am using the dark Night of Navy for the leaves here, or the petals of the flower. just because it coordinates with that designer series paper. And that is it. Oh, I forgot his little tail. Can't forget his tail. And that is it for him. Alright, so let's bring in our card base. And we are going to attach that to the front. And I am using dimensionals to pop him up, just because it made it a little bit cuter. Love the dimensionals, and I am not afraid to use them. You've probably seen that in my videos. When you mail things in the mail, sometimes they get squished if you don't put enough dimensionals on them. So I really like to put my dimensionals on. And then we're just centering it, and we're putting him right in the middle, just like that. Super quick and easy. And look how cute that would be. Wouldn't that make someone happy to get a little piggy in the mail? He hasn't dried yet, so he's a little bit darker. But you can also make him darker by just keep putting layers on. But it's super cute. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.